Dear students, today in time series class 5, let us discuss about least squares method. This is the fourth method of measuring secular trend. In this method, we are establishing a mathematical relationship between the time factor and the time series values. This is the mathematical method of measuring secular trend. So, usually we take a mathematical equation of the type y is equal to f of x, where y is the time series values, x is the time points. The mathematical equation may be of three types. We take three types of mathematical equations. One is linear equation, second one quadratic equation, third one is exponential equations. While fitting by least square method, we have to follow two conditions. Number one, sigma y minus y cap is equal to 0. Number two, sigma y minus y cap whole square is the least. Y is the original values, y cap is the estimated values. Taking the difference and adding them, we should get the total 0. Y is the actual value, y cap is the estimated value. Taking the difference and squaring them and adding them, we get the least value. So these two conditions should be satisfied while fitting mathematical equation to the time series data by least squares method. Firstly, we take that is straight line trend, linear trend, or first degree equation, or y is equal to a plus bx. So y is equal to a plus bx is the equation of the straight line. So straight line equation is y is equal to a plus bx, where a and b are constants which are called as coefficients of relation. These coefficients of relations a and b can be obtained by solving the normal equations. So a and b can be solved by as follows. These two are the normal equations. Sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x. Sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. By putting sigma x is equal to 0, or by making sigma x this 0, this 0, we get from this equation a is equal to sigma y divided by n. From the equation we get b is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square. Now let me work out problems on fitting of straight line. Fit a straight line trend for the following data and estimate the production for 2011. Year from 2002 to 2007 are given. Productions in thousands are also given. Now the table is like this. Year y, that is production values in thousands. These are the required columns x, x square, xy, and last trend values. So the time series data is written vertically. Year, then production in thousands. This is in thousands. Now the next column is x. How to obtain x? You see, among the given years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 time periods are given. Among them, which one is the middle one? 2005 is the middle one. This is the middle year. For the middle year, take x value 0. And from the previous values, you reduce -1, -1, -2, -3, and so on. You can continue -4, -5, -6, like that. For the downward values, you add +1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. So For the middle year, take 0. And for the previous years, subtract minus 1 successively. And for the next years, from the middle year afterwards, you add 1 to each year successively. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Next column is x square, that is squaring the x column. My minus 9, 3 square 9, minus 2 square 4, minus 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9 x square. Then xy, that is x into y, we have to multiply. 12 into minus 3, minus 36. 10 into minus 2, minus 20. 14 into minus 1, minus 14, and so on. Afterwards, add the columns. So in the first column, don't add, take count, count the years. So n is equal to 9. So if you add y values, you will get sigma y is equal to 91. If you add x, you will get sigma x is equal to 0. If you add x square, you will get sigma x square is equal to 28. If you add xy, you will get sigma xy is equal to 21. Now obtain a and b. A is equal to sigma y divided by n, that is equal to 91 divided by 7, that is equal to 13. 91 divided by 7. B is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square, that is 21 divided by 28, that is equal to 0.75. Now the trend equation, that is straight line trend, is y cap is equal to 13. A means 13, B means 0.75. So 13 plus 0.75 x. Now, how to estimate the trend values? You see, this is the trend equation. Y cap is equal to 13 plus 0.75 x. So in this trend equation, if you go on putting x is equal to these minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, you will get corresponding trend value, corresponding trend values for the years from 2002, 2003, and so on. You see, y cap for 2002 is equal to 13 plus 0.75 into minus 3. So for 2002, x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. So that is equal to 13 plus into minus minus 0.75 into 3, 2.25. So subtract 10.75. So y cap 2003 is equal to 13 plus 0.75 into minus 2, that is equal to 13 plus minus 1.5, that is equal to L1.5. For y cap 2004, 13 plus 0.75 into minus 1, that is equal to 13 plus into minus minus 0.75 into 1, 0.75. After subtracting, you will get 12.25. Y cap 2005 is equal to 13 plus 0.75 into 0, that is equal to 13. Y cap 2006 is equal to 13 plus 0.75 into 1, that is equal to 13.75. Y cap 2007 is equal to 13 plus 0.75 into 2, that is equal to 13 plus 1.5, that is equal to 14.5. For y cap 2008 is equal to 13 plus 0.75 into 3, that is equal to 13 plus 2.25, that is equal to 15.25. So for 2002 to 2008, these are the original values and these are the estimated values. And we can estimate the production for 2011. So for 2011, for 2002 to for 2000, they are the present years. We know the data of these years. For 2011, we don't know the production. So we can estimate with the help of this trend equation. You see, for 2011, x is equal to, we have to obtain x is equal to 6. You see, for 2005, 0, 2006, 1, 2007, 2, 2008, 3, 2009, 4, 2010, 5, 2011, 6. So for 2011, x is equal to 6. Therefore, y cap 2011 is equal to 13 plus 0.75 into 6, that is equal to 13 plus 4.5, that is equal to 7.5 thousand quintals. Therefore, estimated production for the year 2011 is Y cap is equal to 7.5 thousand quintals. Now example number 2. For the following time series, fit a linear trend by least square method and estimate the sales for 2010. Year sales. So time series data is taken in the table value itself. First two columns are the problem part, year sales. Next columns are the solution part, x, x square, xy. So there are how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equal to 6. The corresponding sales in thousands for these 6 years are given. To get x, we have to put x is equal to 0 for the middle year, isn't it? Here you see, is there middle year? Which is the middle year? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have two middle years. You see, this is one middle year, this is the lower middle year. If n is an odd number of years, then we get a single middle year. So for that single middle year, we will take x is equal to 0. If there are two middle years, in case of even number of years, for two middle years, we have to take -1 and +1. For the upper middle year, you take -1. For the lower middle year, take +1. Now take 2 difference. In decreasing order for the previous years. For the for the previous years, you subtract minus 2 successively. For the that is middle year, lower middle year, afterwards you add +2. You see, -1, -3, -5, -7, -9, -11, and so on. For the below years, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Next, x square, -5 square, 25, -3 square, 9, -1 square, 1, and so on. xy, 16 into -5, -80, 20 into -3, 60, and so on. Now add the columns. For the first column, n is equal to, count them, n is equal to 6. For the second column, sigma y is equal to, this is y, is equal to 108, x sigma x equal to 0, sigma x square is equal to 70, sigma xy is equal to 16. Now a is equal to sigma y divided by n, that is equal to 108 divided by 6, that is equal to 18. B is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square, 16 by 70, that is equal to 0.2285. Now the straight line trend or linear trend, our trend equation is y cap is equal to 18 plus 0.2285 x. For getting the trend values for the given is for 1980 to 2005, go on putting x is equal to -2, -5, -3, -1, 1, 3, 5. So for 1980, put x is equal to -5. Y cap 1980 is equal to 18 plus 0.2285 into -5. Simply after simplifying, you will get 16.86. For 1985, x is equal to -3. Substitute x is equal to -3 and simplify, you will get 17.32. For 1990, put x is equal to -1. You will get 17.77. For 1995, put x is equal to 1. Substitute and simplify, you will get 18.23. For 2000, put x is equal to 3. Substitute and simplify, you will get 18.68. For 2005, put x is equal to 5. Simplify, you will get 19.14 thousands. Now we have to estimate for the 2010. For 2010 is the future year. So for 2010, we have to calculate x. For 1995, 1. 2003, 2005, 5, 2000, 2010, x is equal to 7. So for the year 2010, x is equal to 7. So y cap 2010 is equal to 18 plus 0.2285 into 7, that is equal to 18 plus 1.5995, that is equal to 19.5999, no, 19.5995 thousands. Therefore, estimated sales for 2010 is 19.5995 thousands. So, if you graph these trend values, or if you take these trend values on a graph sheet, you will get a straight line on the graph sheet. That's why this is called as fitting of straight line. Thank you.